So next to me is a bone stock G82 M4. From factory, they don't look great, pretty basic for an M car. In this video, we're carrying out a full car build. We're not called the vehicle styling shop for no reason.
Oh my, I can't believe it, mate. Like, this is a different car.
And behind me, you can see a small handful of some of the parts we're going to be fitting on the car today. This customer is going to town, stock to full send. Let's go through some of the parts now. HRE FF21 wheels, full ADRO Bodykit, including front bumper, front splitter, new grills, new diffuser, new wing, side skirts transformed. If you're doing that, you need to do supporting mods. So the mods that we're going to use to support the ADRO Bodykit are Cobra height adjustable springs. We're going to get that fitment absolutely perfect. If it's going to look the tits, it needs to sound the tits, hence the Milltek full OPF-Back system, which is going to be going on. Next to me is Sam. Sam, quick, come in here.
I do apologise, he was filming and I decided to open the door and interrupt, so.
220k.
Famous.
Life's different now. He's got a Bugatti on the way. You can never forget the small touches if you're going all out. So heritage badges, Magna plates, loads of other nice little touches. Gonna make this build insane. And I'm very excited because this is gonna be the first full ADRO build in this colour. What colour blue is it? Portimao blue car in the UK. Wait, Portimao? And the nice thing is, this is gonna be the first ADRO body kit in Europe, which is gonna be Portimao blue.
Portimao.
Portimao.
Portimao blue.
Portimao blue. Portimao. Jack's being a little bit lazy. He says he don't want to be a part of this video. Why is that then, Jack?
Well, it's because I've got my stag do's. So when we film the next video, I might be half the man I am today. I might just be like an empty shell of a human being. Come here. For now, I'm still here, so it's all good.
Also, Jack's just come up with a valid point. What's that?
This is a 50 grand car now. This is like a bargain. You are talking basically, nearest makes no difference, like 600 horsepower car from factory.
For 50k.
For 50 grand. Like, there ain't much more that can do that. And this one has carbon buckets as well. You can't see them because we're protecting them with our lovely AUTOID merch. What a spec. Yeah. Is that a nice new collection of wheels? Nice new
collection of wheels. Run us through the wheels, Jack.
So these are actually what we're going to be fitting to the customer's car today. These are HRE flow form. They are obviously a semi-forged product, very, very high quality product as it is. Then we have a fully forged, this is a split rim HRE. These are chef's kiss, absolutely insane. This one is a particular favourite of mine. And then at the bottom here we have Dillinger, and Dillinger are quite a boutique brand of forged wheel. These guys are based out in Spain, and they're kind of like mixing up the market with all kind of funky designs and very interesting and very intricate stuff. So, I mean, look at that centre cap. That is sick.
I love that it looks like a moustache as well.
I will see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, and by the way, you guys need to wait for the next video as well. My M2 is getting sent to the moon.
So whilst I've been waffling doing the intro of this video, Kai's already cracked on. He's starting with the ADRO rear wing. Reason why he's gone for that first is because it's one of the longest jobs. Essentially what we do first of all is mask out all the boot, remove the factory rear spoiler, which Kai is doing down here. I'll show you a close up. It actually comes with a template to line the new holes up. But the thing which is a little bit difficult is the ADRO rear wing essentially hooks and clamps over the boot lid like this. So it's one of the more nasty style wings to install. So I just need to stop this video here for a second because I've got some very exciting news. If you've followed the YouTube channel, you'll know we're going to be displaying at Goodwood Festival of Speed in just a few weeks' time. And now it's time to give back to you guys that have supported the YouTube channel to get it to the place where it is today. So we're going to give away some Goodwood Festival of Speed tickets. Not one, not two, not three, but 4 tickets. And the way you enter is easy. If you're not a subscriber of the YouTube channel, subscribe right now because in 2 weeks' time, we're going to select a random winner just from the subscribers to win a ticket for them and a friend to come. And also, if you want to double up your chances, we're giving away another 2 tickets completely free of charge. All you have to do is hit the link in our description and fill out that form. I wish you guys the best of luck, and I'll catch you at Goodwood Festival Speed. Back to the video. So the spoiler has now been fitted. The exhaust system that the customer has gone for is a Milltek OPF-Back. Essentially, this is going to be the best legal system you can go for. This will still pass emissions, any roadside tests, anything like that, because essentially it's just cut from the OPF's back. He's also popped the front wheels off now, ready to install the Cobra height adjustable suspension kit. It's now got the Cobra height adjustable suspension in, along with the Milltek OPF-Back Exhaust and the rear diffuser and the rear wing. We've still got a lot more to go, and we haven't got that much time left. I've been leaving Kai to it and not getting too in his face with filming and everything, because I want to make sure this all gets done in time, ready for the customer, because he is picking it up on Friday, which is tomorrow. So I'm just going to show you underneath the car now so you can see essentially how the Milltek OPF-Back mounts. So you've got your stock catalytic converters, which are just up here on the downpipes. These are secondary cats, and then that comes to the OPFs, and then we have a connection point for the Milltek straight off of the back of that, which is completely non-resonated, all the way back to this singular box which sits here. Essentially, when the valves are open on that singular box, it bypasses the box and it sends it straight up that piece there. So it should sound a lot better. We've fitted a lot of these now. Still got to fit the front bumper. Still got to get the wheels on and all the tyres and everything mounted up, along with the side skirts and the other small touches. We've got our work cut out, so let's crack straight back on. So you now catch us a day later, and today is the day where the most important parts of this build go on, and that's the ADRO front bumper. We are at Jones Body and Paintwork. This is a body shop that we work with for all of the AUTOID work, because his work is tip top. Behind me just there, which you can't see, is the fully painted bumper. We get the customers to send us out their petrol cap, and then Luke can then get a direct colour match to then start painting up the bumper. To get a complete perfect match, you would need to do some blending sort of into the wings and the bonnet, but luckily where these cars are still relatively new, the paint match we'll get with just painting the bumper will still be very good, as you'll see later on in this video. But yes, exhaust has now been fitted, springs have now been fitted, side skirts have been fitted, wing has been fitted, and diffuser has been fitted. All we have left now is the bumper and the wheels and some small touches, and then the customers come in. We have just built up the ADRO bumper with the carbon splitter. This customer's gone for the gloss black grills. You can go for a carbon grill as well. So this essentially can just get transferred straight over, back on the car, and away we go. Put the wheels on, finish up the other little touches, and then we'll be ready to hand this off to the customer. So we're back at the unit. The weather has took a bit of a turn for the worst. It's absolutely terrible. Kai's currently putting on the HRE wheels, the exhaust tips are going on now. Ben's over here just installing the new carbon fender badges. We've just got to line the M and 4 up nicely and evenly, innit, Ben? Yep. So the M4 has now been completely transformed and it is on a completely different level now, and it looks insane in this colour. Don't know if you guys see, which I'll throw up on the screen now, I used to have a G82 M4, which we done Europe's first ADRO kit. And since then, we've done quite a few of these. But the colour of this, with them black HRE wheels, might be one of my favourites, I will be honest. So obviously the most notable change is this front bumper. It's a complete redesign from the standard sort of kidney grills which you get on the G80s. And it makes the car look like a completely different animal. It makes it almost look supercar-y. Pairs up beautifully with a set of laser lights. Obviously he's gone for the gloss black front grills, gloss black grille here, and also the carbon splitter, giving it a slightly lower look. Another thing to note, this bumper actually sits around 20mm lower than a normal bumper, so bear that in mind if you are going to go for an ADRO bumper. And down here is one of my personal favourite parts of this build. This is a set of HRE FF21 flow forged wheels. I think I'm going to address a bit of an elephant in the room here, because when people think HRE, people think £10,000, but these are less than 1/3 of the price of an average HRE wheel due to them being flow forged and not custom forged. So they're the perfect wheel to get essentially that HRE look without spending a ridiculous amount of money. Round the back, we've got this super aggressive ADRO Swan Neck wing. My favourite wing for G-Series cars. If you can't tell, I do really like ADRO stuff. Paired up with that beautiful rear diffuser and them fat boy Milltek tips, because it's got the Milltek OPF-Back system on it now, which makes the car sound a lot better. How it kind of should have sounded from factory, I'll give you a rev test right now. And then for the suspension, we've got the Cobra height adjustable suspension, which has a very nice ride when driving it along the road. I was just driving it here and it feels almost identical to OEM. And the nice thing about that is fully adjustable in terms of height. So we've got this at a nice height now where the car looks low, but not too low, because this customer is based in central London. And he's on his way down to the unit now. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna go film his reaction. Hopefully it's a good one. I think he's gonna be impressed. So the customer has just turned up. He is literally outside. We've got the shutters down at the moment, and Ben, the sales director, is now here. He's gonna get the handover done. Say hello, Ben.
How you going, guys?
Yeah,
let's do this. Adrian, excited?
Yes, very excited. Very excited. Good to see you.
Here we go. Let's
Thank
have
you
a
very
look
much.
at
Yep.
All right.
Oh, holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe it.
What do we think then?
Oh wow! Oh my god! Oh, this is sick! Oh my god! I can't believe it, mate. Like this is a different car. Oh, I can't believe it. Honestly, I can't. I'm speechless. Honestly, like, holy shit. Oh.
So you're not a fan then?
Dude, I'm speechless. Honestly, it's so good. It's so good looking. The paintwork is amazing. Honestly.
Kai's just reminded us that he hasn't heard it yet.
Oh. It's way different already. It's so different. Oh. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.